What's up, my beauties, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna do a really quick little nail haul on what I got in the mail today. I already kind of opened up the packages just so like we're not sitting here fumbling, but yeah, let's go ahead and get started. And then I will go ahead and link everything down below as well in the description. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna take all this stuff out of the box. Give me 1 second. Okay guys, so this is everything I got. I got this cute little ring that you put gel on, and then you can like draw and all that good stuff. I got this little mix of moons, stars, and stones. I got this mix of color rhombus shapes. Thought these were really cute from that one viral video. I know you've seen it. And then I got these super cute rose decals and little leaf charms. Why that takes so long. These little leaf charms as well. So that stuff is from Etsy. I'll go ahead and link that down below. This next bag is gonna be from NailHeaven Supply. So I'm gonna get the stuff out of here and then we'll come back. Alright, and this is what I got from NailHeaven Supply. Oh, you guys, look at that. Look at how full that is. Like, she packed that to the rim. Like, geez, there's no gap in there. Gotta love her. She's amazing. Then we got these beautiful decals, the Chanel's and Louis Vuitton. So that was from NailHeaven Supply. I'm so happy with that though. Look at that. Okay, so again, this one is NailHeaven Supply. That one is from Etsy. And this one is from Amazon. And this one I'm gonna be doing a video on as well. So if you wanna kind of be, I don't know, first in the know, this is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need foam tape. You're gonna need bling, if I can grab it. And let's get this guy out. Okay, these are picture frames. And I didn't know it was 2, I thought it was 1, so even better. Unless it's just 1. Okay, yeah, it is. Cool. And a picture frame. So keep an eye out for this video because we're gonna be needing these 3 things and it'll be fun, I promise. Okay, so this is from Amazon. This is for the next video / project I'm gonna be doing in this quarantine times. And then we came over here to NailHeaven Supply with the decals and the Fool as a powder. And then over here to Etsy with the gold decals and the gold stars and the cute little rhombuses. But yeah,